Hello, my people. I'm gonna see if Extinction actually died today. Oh. Okay, let's see this. Oh. Um. Oh. Oh, we'll play this. Yeah. I am evil. Wheeze. I will read some stuff to you people. Wait, no, this one. I'll just show you this one real quick. I don't know. Welcome to the playroom. Oh God. Welcome to the playroom. Okay, there. That's that. Let's do this. Oh God. Okay, let's see what this is. I'm sorry. Oh my God. They say 70% of you is HTML. All the other side is 70% wants to die. That's me. Let's see what this is. Make me cool with blah. No, not like that. Blah blah. More muscles. I'm so cool. Giant robot. Giant black. Giant robot. Oh my God. I love it. When you ask your friends / fans where you went. No, this is disturbing as heck. I am protect the children. You must protect. Oh, oh! I'm kind of scared. Oh, okay, then done. No. Sorry. I had to do it with the nice. I'm sorry, but I have to. I have to, I'm sorry. I love this. Oh. Oh. Oh, your favorite skinny. Fix that. Fix that. Well, that's great. That's great.